We paid $208 for a luxury junior suite with balcony and jacuzzi, but using our Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status, we were upgraded to a swim-up suite. This video is a dedicated room tour and review of the swim-up suite at the Royalton Bavaro. Let's start with the bathroom. This area is very well illuminated. It has a double vanity, which is a must in all-inclusive resorts. They provide plenty of towels, and the countertop space is big enough to store your personal items. We really like the shower because the space inside is huge. We also love the fact that they have 2 rain shower heads. And there's even a seating area perfect for those who can't stand for very long. Thank you, Royalton Bavaro, for making a private toilet area. Many resorts are now leaving a gap between the toilet door and the ceiling, and this doesn't feel private at all. Here at the Royalton Bavaro, the toilet is in its own private space. There's even a phone in here, but it only dials number 1 or number 2. The jacuzzi tub was in the middle of the bathroom, right next to the main bedroom area. It was very relaxing, but beware, it fills up with water really fast. There is enough closet space for 2 people, but frankly not enough hangers. The complimentary bathrobes and slippers were a very nice touch. There is also a safe in the closet, but we couldn't use it during our stay because some of the numbers didn't work. Now let's move to the main bedroom area. The bed was big and comfortable. The bed sheets were not scratchy and felt nice and clean, except for that decorative orange piece of fabric across the bed that felt outdated and dirty even if it was clean. The bed had 4 pillows with 2 different kinds of pillow heights, perfect for those that like high pillows or low pillows. We also didn't like the rugs on either side of the bed. They felt really dirty, and we even ended up kicking them under the bed. There is a ceiling fan right above the bed. The TV has a good size and a very nice selection of channels. Also, the signal is very good. The minibar was stocked with light beer, water, soda, juice, and chocolate milk. The room is very well illuminated. The illumination felt cohesive, warm, and inviting. There is also plenty of natural light. The room was nicely decorated. We loved the colors and the wall art, but the furniture felt a bit worn down and outdated, especially for a swim-up suite. For example, some of the dresser drawers didn't open unless you applied some force to them. The closet doors were a bit tricky to open, and the closet's light motion sensor didn't seem to be working very well. Also, the light fixtures embedded in the bed frame are in desperate need of a change. The seating area, on the other hand, was really nice, and also the workstation was a plus. This was our first time staying in a room with a swim-up pool. We honestly didn't think we were gonna use this pool a lot, but we did end up using it, especially on our last morning at the resort. This space is really nice and it's great for people watching. Keep in mind that this pool is not entirely private because it is a continuous pool and the people staying in the rooms next to yours can swim up and down. The air conditioner worked great during our stay, and we give it a 2 thumbs up. The room's door felt very sturdy. It had an inside lock and also a latch that prevents anyone from opening the door from the outside. The room isolates noise very well and it felt very quiet, even though we had a kids' water park right in front of us. We have to mention this one huge negative. When we first entered the room, there was a sewage smell. We had to open all the windows to clear the air, and the smell kept coming and going throughout our stay. We have no idea where this smell was coming from. We don't know if this was a one-time thing or unique to our room, but as reviewers, we can only review our own experience. If this is occurring in other rooms, this is something they need to look at ASAP. Overall, we give this room a 7 out of 10. Now click on this video for our review of our entire stay at the Royalton Bavaro Punta Cana.